Let's learn how to delete all search history on TikTok. Have you ever wanted to erase your entire search history on TikTok, but didn't know how? Then this video is perfect for you. Watch it and you won't have this problem anymore. The first thing you need to do is open the TikTok app on your phone or computer. Once TikTok is open, first make sure you're logged into the correct profile. When you're sure, we can begin. Now that TikTok is open, you need to click on the option located in the bottom right corner. This is the profile option, and when you click on it, a page with your profile will open. On that page, you need to click on the 3 horizontal lines in the top right corner of the screen. When you click on those 3 lines, a menu with 4 options will appear. From those 4 options, you need to click on the one at the bottom, which is Settings and Privacy. After clicking that, a page with many options will open. You need the option Activity Center. Click on that option, and a page with all your activities will open. You need to click on the option Search History. When you click on that option, a page with your entire search history will open. On that page, you need to click on the Select option located in the top right corner. When you click on that option, you can select the ones you want to delete individually. If you want to delete your entire search history, you need to click on the option in the bottom left corner, which is Select All Search History. When you click on that, your entire search history will be selected, and now you just need to click the Delete button located in the bottom right corner. When you click the Delete button, you have successfully deleted your entire search history. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.